In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use VPN in Brave browser. If you're looking for a simple way to enhance your online privacy while browsing the internet, Brave browser offers a convenient solution through its built-in VPN service. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of enabling and using Brave's VPN feature so you can browse with greater security and peace of mind. Whether you're concerned about privacy, want to help protect your connection on public networks, or simply want an extra layer of online security, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Let's get started. Begin by opening the Brave browser on your device. Once the browser is running, you'll be able to access the privacy tools that are integrated directly into Brave. Unlike many VPN services that require separate applications and additional setup, Brave includes its own VPN feature as part of its privacy-focused ecosystem. Brave's VPN service is known as Brave Firewall Plus VPN, and it is powered by Guardian. One of the key benefits of this service is that it provides protection at the device level rather than only within the browser. This means your internet traffic can be protected more broadly, helping to secure your online activity beyond just your web browsing sessions. After opening Brave, look toward the upper right area of the browser window. There, you should find the VPN option or the Firewall Plus VPN feature. When you locate it, click on the option to begin the activation process. Brave will guide you through the subscription and setup procedure required to enable the service. Carefully follow the on-screen instructions to complete the subscription process. Once everything is set up successfully, the VPN will become active and ready to use. From that point forward, Brave will help protect your connection by encrypting your internet traffic and masking your IP address. These privacy features can make it more difficult for websites and third parties to track your online activity. As you continue using Brave, you'll have the flexibility to manage the VPN whenever needed. If you want to disable it temporarily or turn it back on later, you can do so through the browser's settings and VPN controls. This makes it easy to adjust your privacy settings based on your current browsing needs and preferences. And that's all there is to it. As you can see, enabling and using the VPN feature in Brave browser is a straightforward process. Once activated, it can provide an additional layer of privacy and security while you browse the web. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.